Let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on POCO F8 Pro and POCO F8 Ultra. So, in order to go to the safe mode, first of all, we can restart our phone. So, I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. If you made some changes in settings, you might just need to use the power button. Of course, you might need to hold it for a couple of seconds to show the power menu. But in this case, what we're gonna do is we're gonna reboot. So slide down over here to reboot, and then we need to wait for the POCO logo. So once you see the POCO logo, you need to patiently wait for vibration. After a couple of seconds, you will feel a vibration and you will have to press and hold volume down. So just keep waiting. We have POCO. Now wait for vibration. And there we go. Now I felt the vibration, so I'm gonna press and hold volume down button, and we need to keep holding it until we actually see the lock screen. So even though I can see the Xiaomi Hyper OS, I still need to hold it, and there we go. As you can see, we are in safe mode. So this is how we can enter the safe mode. Now, if you want to exit the safe mode, you just have to restart your phone. So we're gonna go back to the power menu, and we're gonna slide down to reboot the phone. And now, once the phone turns itself back on, it will be back into the normal mode. What you need to keep in mind is that once you go to the safe mode, then of course we have the airplane mode activated. And if you exit the safe mode with the airplane mode enabled, you will still have the airplane mode enabled, so remember to turn it off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.